One of my favorite parts of building is making something new, so I'm really excited for 2026 because I'm building a bunch of new projects I've never done before, and it starts with this one, and I'm back at work on the project of an essential oils holder and display for a local client who has also reached out for me to do another project for them soon. I have to admit, when I first got this drum sander, I felt kind of guilty. It was more of a luxury at the time, but now after years of use, I use it so many times it's become a staple in my shop, and with a simple change of the sandpaper, it's like a new machine again, and I'm back at work at flattening some of these live edge walnut boards. Any of the voids in the walnut charcuterie boards, I use this two-part filler. I'll leave a link below to what I am using. I find that it's the best solution I've come across so far, and it stands the test of time for these voids. One of the many reasons I love doing charcuterie boards is how unique the final product is. They're almost like fingerprints, and when a client adds a special message, it makes it even more unique. After this board had time to sit overnight, I finish it off by using my homemade board butter. I lather it on nice and thick and then wipe it off with a clean cloth. It adds an extra layer of goodness, richness, and protection to these boards. I'll leave a link above how I made it. Back to the essential oil holder and display, I add a bit of glue to the bottom, pin it all in place, a couple spots per dado, and then it's off to the dividers. Okay, for this box, I order a bunch of wood. It gets delivered right to my door, and when I want something special, they're right on it. I'll leave a link below on who I use. Thanks for watching episode number 4 of my workshop vlog. If you have any questions about the tools that I use or some of the supplies, please like and subscribe for more of my vlogs and project videos as well too. Coming up next week, I'm starting an oak table.